TOPSLOT and a 10 times multiplier from the TOPSLOT.
I don't know if you answered it. I didn't see that. 10x a great time. Your ice is so sunny. Remind you, we just had a 10x from the TOPSLOT, and you know what it means? This year,
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
TOPSLOT. Well, when I think of meow meow, usually, but I just said it again anyway. Anyway, wait. Pause? Pause? Do you see what I see? Pachinko, let's run it! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pachinko! Anyway, redemption arc? Perhaps. Hopefully not 7x, and we start with 7x, who said it? 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 200, double! Ready for trouble? Make it double anyway. Let's drop it like it's hot. Let's drop it like it's hot. Good luck. Whoa, wait, please.
This is the amount of money issued, 110,315 euros.
To the Pachinko, finally! I'm redeemed. Congratulations to the winners. I'm redeemed tonight. That's it. I'm done. Out. Whew. Anyway, here we go. Hello, Brigitte fanboy. Holy moly.
Bets are open. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, place those bets. Welcome newcomers. Thank you for joining this session. Don't forget about the autoplay feature, which automatically places your bets for you. And now let's go. Let's keep it popping. Let's take it. I'm about that action, yeah? Ruppa, ladies and gentlemen. Go to main owner. Pachinko gets a 2x from the TOPSLOT. Hoppa, and there we go. Another TOPSLOT at Pachinko. Okay, so last one. Let's 10x. This time, ladies and gentlemen. The second TOPSLOT at Pachinko of this session. Get the fuck. Okay, I'm sorry I yelled at you. I'm sorry, okay? Let's make up. Okay. 3x, 5x, 7, 10, 20, 40, 50, hundo, double. 2x on that. I forgot about that. I truly forgot about that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get that 200. Or maybe get the double and get the 400. Or another double and the 800. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Mr. Puck, be good, okay? Okay, chill. No, Mr. Puck, you choose what you like on this board, okay? What interests you?
This is the amount of money issued, 127,640 euros.
That's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. All of yous are welcome. 1,911 winners. I be out there. Shout out to Casino Scores, you feel me? I'm gonna be watching this clip over and over today, ladies and gentlemen. There we are. Real talk. Oh my days. Wow. Ooh.
Again. Maybe the Pachinko isn't that bad, you know. Where is the man? What man? I don't understand who you're talking about. There's no one here, it's just me. How do I give you a tip? You can't, Archie. You can't. Coin flip times 3? Yep. Coin flip times 3. Ignore them, they are seeing things. That's what I'm saying, like, someone's standing in... Oh, there's no one there. Stop joking around, guys. Welcome to the coin flip. We have a coin, one side is blue, the other side is red. We place it so that the blue is on top. Let's reveal the multiplier. We have 100 and a 4. Times 3, we have 312. I've seen this tale before. I know how it goes.
This is the amount of money issued, 300 for 1,555 euros.
300x out of coin flip. 300x out of coin flip. After such a day full of like 3s and 2s from the coin flip. Well said, Archie. Mamma mia. 300x. The one I started. Collection is too much, Lucas, come on. Honestly, I don't care what you say. In Crazy Time, nothing is collection because everything is a win. You just have to place your bet smart and that's it. Huh. Well, would you look at that? Cash hunt times 10. As hard as I tried being a villain, apparently I still can. Let's reveal the board. There's only 100x, so it's going to be 1,000 highest and 50 smallest. There's a bunch of nice multipliers here. Let's pull the lever. There's a bunch of nice multipliers there. It's still going to be your job to pick the 1,000. We're not settling for no 570, for nothing like that. Your job is to pick the 1,000. You have to do it. Just because I told so. I told you to do it, you have to do it. Simple. Do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Decision's closed. Let's reveal the board.
This is the amount of money issued, 173,271 euros.
There she is. Back to the board. Congrats to 2,298 winners of the previous round. Let's go again. 50. Aye. I mean, a 50 is technically speaking still nice, but not when there's...
Crazy time, alright? Here we go again. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see what happens next. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Maximum multiplier is again. So is it green, is it blue, or is it yellow? Which flapper do you choose, players? Maximum multiplier is worth 100x. Good luck, players. Alright, there's a double on the green flapper. We'll spin the wheel one more time, and we will enhance the multipliers further now. That's 20x on blue and 20x on yellow. Maximum multiplier 200x. Good luck, players.
This is the amount of money issued to 159,324 euros.
Multiplier, congratulations to you, ladies, gentlemen. Woo, well played. Right, they're done. 9,691 players won this game. Now Henry takes over. Good luck, dude.
Buongiorno. Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Henry and I will be your host for this lovely Saturday morning or afternoon session. Depends, of course, on where you're living. That's right. Hopefully.
Hey everyone, welcome to Crazy Time right now. Not the random, right now. Let's with an I, not with an E. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, last against last year. Don't forget about national inflation. So you're telling me to... No! I'm not telling you to go! Based on players. Actually, did you hear about the Palmas? Makes sense or good luck? I don't know if you answered it. I didn't see that. It's actually Crazy Time. Your ice is so stunning. Thank you. I have a green ice. Palmas, yes, I saw Palmas in a crease, and we had a crazy time with a 10x multiplier. Let's go! Let's go, it's a great time! And welcome everybody to a crazy time! Let's get crazy. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you, we just had a 10x from the TOPSLOT, and you know what it means? That here everything will be multiplied by 10. Let's go. And right now, the max multiplier we have... No, wait a minute. It's 30 seconds time. So, ladies and gentlemen, decision time is all yours. You can choose the green, blue, or the yellow flopper. 3 options for you. Most of the people are choosing right now the blue one. The last again. Ladies and gentlemen, decision time's over. 2000x. Let's go. The max multiplier. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a triple for the blue one. So it means everything here, but we move like retreat. Let's go. And right now, the max multiplier for the blue one is going to be the 6000x. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued: 2,894,376 euros.
For the blue.
TOPSLOT, Pachinko, 10 times multiplier. Quick change the host lightning? What? What does that mean? Pachinko, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Did you see that TOPSLOT multiplier? If not, you're about to witness it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here are the multipliers. Temporary multipliers. You'll see what's up soon enough. Here's 3, 5, that's a 7, 10, 15, 25, and a 50, and a 200, and a double, and a 10 times multiplier from the TOPSLOT. How about them apples? So, if my calculations are correct, the maximum multiplier in this round should be 2,000? Come on, come on!
This is the amount of money issued: 8,892,338 euros.
Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar bills, y'all. 8,142 players just won this game. Ratsup, look at you. 368,000 plus euro win. Woo! What a nice win. Players.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.